welcome back to Daytime Live. It's game time, and we are going to play Blind Scavenger Hunt.
Yeah.
So, this is how it goes. So firstly, Khalil and Duffy will have 2 minutes to get as many cotton balls into their cups as possible using these spatulas. But they will have to do it whilst they're blindfolded. Are we ready? Do you understand the rules of the game, everybody?
I understand.
Okay, so let's get your blindfolds on firstly. Beautiful. Yes. All right, good. Now, can we please have 2 minutes on the clock? All right. Okay, so you guys touch your cups. You're not going to be allowed to hold the cups. Just feel your cups now. Feel your spatula. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Already, Dufton, may I look upon you, okay? Are we ready? The clocks is ready. Now in 3, in 2, in 1, go! Yes, don't touch the cup. Yes, Dufton, that was a good one.
Cup, Duffy.
That was a good one, Dufton. You're doing so good. Yes, Duffy, get it. Yes, look at Dufton. He's look. Oh my gosh, Dufton, why you?
Me know.
Dufton, stop cheat. Dufton, stop cheat. Hold on. Okay, your cup is.
Where's my spatula?
There you go.
We need
y'all.
separate tables.
There you go. Here's your spatula.
I gotta hold the cup.
All right, let me come around and give her the spatula. Yes, Dufton, you're winning. You're winning. That's your spatula in your hand. That is
Where's
your cup.
my cup?
Ready?
Can
There's
I
your cup
hold
right
the
there.
cup?
No, you can't hold the cup. But now go. 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 Angus. Dufton.
Oh my God, you can't do that.
You know what, Kalia?
I'm gonna come over here. You know when you
But we have-
write something in school and
We
you
have a
don't want
minute
to-
left. We have a minute left.
Serious?
Dufton, you're holding the cup.
No,
Angus,
because she hit it
stop
over.
holding the cup.
She hit it over.
Too bad.
She hit it over.
Dufton.
She hit it over.
Be hit. Yes, Kalia, doing a good job there. Yes, Dufton, that was a good one.
Why?
Why your hand over there? Leave the people to.
You
Yes.
need a divider.
No, you
Stay
see it.
over
My
there,
cup is
so.
hitting up.
Stay right over there, so.
Good, Kalia. Get him. Get him. Okay, so we'll hold the cup. All right. You guys.
Are we allowed to hold the cup?
I
in the
feel at this
final?
point, yes, hold the cup.
Because.
Hold the cup.
All right.
Hold the cups. And in 3, in 2, in 1. Time's up. Time's up. Put your cups down.
You see where you do that? You see?
Time's up. Shh, 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 shh. Okay. You see why we can't have nice things? Why we can't have
Wow.
nice things? Because they have no
Wow.
no
That's
behavior.
crazy.
So what you so? What are the rules now? I feel like some.
All right, this is
All
her
right.
cup. This is my
Let me
cup.
count.
Do
Agnes's.
not do. Yes, count hers. I'm not.
This is yours.
So
Are you
hold on,
ready?
Wait. One fell from hers. One fell from hers. I'm putting it back.
Okay, ready? Counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
You missed one.
9.
No.
No, this.
That was not in there.
It was.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I did. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. So Angus got 37.
Well, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
30. 31.
No,
36,
32,
Oh, you guys are
33, 34, 35, 36, 37.
It's a tie.
So,
That is so
I am going to interject
That's so
right
funny. It's
now.
a tie.
As cheating was keeping on both
Who
sides,
cheated less?
the first cheater, no, but the first person that started the craziness is
You know it wasn't me.
is
You
excommunicated
know it wasn't me.
from the game.
That can't work.
So, Angus,
That's
you
actually
are
really
fired.
Good. That's actually really good.
Kalia,
But normally I win this game.
hey!
No, I normally win these games, so.
That's because you normally cheat these games.
What's my prize?
You saw how okay, so what what you get is we'll talk about it after the show, okay? She's gonna get lots of wonderful things. Right?
So if you want to make a speech.
I'm not trust this.
Make a speech. Make a speech.
Okay. I just want to say thank you so much to my coach, for helping me out through the arms and making the arms
Keep
shred,
my name out of your
the
training, the gym training.
Yeah, all of
important.
that kind of stuff. So
And who assisted you with the tying, knowing how to tie?
So,
blindfold?
big up my mom. She really helped me to learn how to tie my blindfold. And yeah, I just want to big up everyone on my team.
Yeah.
It was a lot to come
as
here.
well.
The stylist.
Hi, Jamaica.
To make sure. Yeah, man. Love
The
you
music
guys.
playing,
Love
the
you.
music
Big up
playing, the
everybody.
music playing now. You have to come. Music.
3 seconds. Go. No, thank you so
Listen,
much.
go and stream Kalia's song. What's her name again?
Nothing can justify. It's everywhere. If you have a computer, if you have a phone, you can listen to it.
And once again, tell us your social media handles. Everyone can come right now
Yeah.
and fight you. What's on my mind, and further the conversation. Such a serious, important conversation.
Kalia 100, KHALIA 100.
Dufton says he knows it very, very well. Thank you so much. It was so much fun. I'm sorry for the bad behavior of Angus. I apologize for that. Let me just take his spatula because obviously the children, Lord. So, yes. Thank you for tuning in today. Thank you so much, guys. We really had a lot of fun. It was we had such vibes in Cannot Juggle. Let me see.
I can, but.
You did it a little bit.
Now, on Friday, we'll be back with much more buzz, chat, vibe, and mix. Stay safe. And please remember, check on your loved ones and support each other as a community.
Yes! You notice that we changed what we said? You notice something missing? Oh, Lord. Okay, you know what? Leave the people, pick them
Alone.
alone.